Hello, I'm with Dr. Ron Hassanzadeh. Dr. Hassanzadeh is an Atlanta native and grew up just outside of the city in Morita, Georgia. After graduating magna cum laude from Georgia Tech, he went on to achieve his dental degree from Nova Southeastern University in Florida. He has over 200 hours of advanced education in surgery and endodontic care. With continued education in orthodontic and implant services, he is passionate about patient care, which comes from the value system his parents installed in him and his two younger sisters, who also aspire to join the medical community. Welcome, Dr. Hassanzadeh, and thank you for doing this recording with Doctor's Choice Awards.
Thank you for having me.
Congratulations to you, Dr. Hassanzadeh, for winning the Top Dentistry of the Month of April 2016. How excited are you, Doctor?
I'm ecstatic. I'm ecstatic and honored to receive such recognition from my fellow colleagues.
What was your first thought on Doctor's Choice Awards, and what drove you to partake in it?
My initial thought, this is different. The unique method of acknowledgement by receiving reviews from fellow colleagues was different than anything I've ever seen, and it was very inspiring and motivational, and I was really excited to see such feedback. After my first review that I received, I was hooked and wanted to know what other colleagues had to say about me as well, and that kept me wanting to know more and more, and requesting my fellow colleagues to post reviews for me and determine how I stand amongst my colleagues.
Could you describe your experience and skills, Doctor?
Sure. Like many dentists, I have focused on the proficiency of patient care in delivering restorative and preventative services. In addition with those items, I've focused a lot of my continuing education on dental implant placement, as well as cosmetically focused orthodontics. And that allows me to have a broad range of services to offer to the patients in my community.
What inspired you to be a dentist, Doctor?
My inspiration to be a dentist arose from the time I had braces. During my teenage years, my orthodontist took my crooked teeth and transformed it into a symmetrical smile. And that always stuck with me until the time in college when I was that time to determine what I would choose for my career. And as such, I wanted to be the same clinician that would have such a direct impact on other people as well. And I selected dentistry because that allowed me to express my interests in doing so. And as one step led to another, I was able to become a dentist and perfect people's smile, improving their self-worth as well as their confidence in themselves.
Do you believe collaboration and networking among doctors through services and programs such as Doctor's Choice Awards play a significant role in the success of modern medical professionals?
I do. I do feel that programs such as Doctor's Choice Awards gives other professionals as well as consumers a lot of information about each professional. Beyond consumer reviews, this provides the consumer an additional layer of information about the particular clinician. Even more so, it provides us as the professionals a way to refer our patients to other colleagues that are well trusted in the community, and that provides greater collaboration within the clinical community, as well as greater presentation to each of our patients and clients.
What was your proudest moment as a dentist, doctor?
My proudest moment has been the grand opening of my Scratch dental office, Seven Hills Dentistry. We're located here in Dallas, Ackworth area of Georgia, and while there has been many challenges and many late nights getting this office up and running, it has been very rewarding to be able to be the leader of this dental office.
What do you feel, or what are the key challenges in the field of dentistry today?
One of the biggest challenges is being able to communicate to each and every one of our patients in an effective way to educate them on the importance of oral health as well as prevention. There has been a change in dentistry in that aggressive treatment has been looked down upon, or just less desired, as has been prevention. Prevention has been the best method of reducing cavities and reducing the need for advanced dental treatment. Of course, in the case where dental treatment is needed, we render those, but many patients still wait until the time where a cavity needs to be filled in order to act, where we try to educate each and every one of our patients on the importance of prevention. Performing in-office fluoride, as well as having sealants placed, including adults having sealants placed on their permanent teeth, can dramatically reduce the risk of obtaining a cavity, which would require fillings or possibly even a crown. And so as the paradigm shifts to focus on prevention, we need to focus on educating our patients into the benefits of these added preventative services, and so we can, in hopes of preventing more drastic aggressive dentistry.
Okay, moving on to the last question we have for you, doctor. Where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years?
In 5 or 10 years, I hope to be here in an established practice at Seven Hills Dentistry. Beyond that, I would like to be able to reach out to my fellow colleagues as well and become a educator amongst them. As I've spent many hours on advanced education to provide the highest level of service to my patients, I hope to be able to spread that knowledge and skill with my fellow colleagues and be able to help them offer the same high quality services to their patients as well. And hopefully we all can treat our patients effectively, ethically, and with the highest level of care.
So thank you, Dr. Hassanzadeh, for your time and for coming and doing this interview with us.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate the opportunity.